Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. A little bit sad news at the beginning. BMW is gone. Aww. That being said, if you know, we've been looking for a replacement for a while, and if you watch my video, you know that I said we're going to be buying a car from an auction most likely, and that just happened this week. So let me show you what we got, what we ended up with. I just picked up car yesterday, and it's going to be a fun project to work on. Okay guys, so here is a 2018 Infiniti QX60 that I just purchased yesterday from auto auction. And let's take a look at the pictures first. So some of them are very poor quality, some of them are a little bit better, but it is what it is, right? So on this one you can see the mirror is damaged, fender, suspension, light, front bumper here, possibly door here. And that's all I'm getting from this one for now. Here we do next picture. So this side looks pretty good. Nothing going on here. The same side from the back. Back looks good, rear looks good. Side looks good as far as we can tell. And the other side corner looks perfect, and the damaged front. So here's inside, brown leather, interior, the airbag here is popped. I'm assuming there is another one there that is popped, deployed. So I guess we're gonna see that. There's no picture that shows you, but I'm assuming there is a new airbag and it's gonna be deployed. And here's a little bit better quality picture. So here we can actually see, so the mirror is out, there's door damage that might require a new door shell, or that might be fixed, I don't know. Fender obviously is gone, light, it has some cracks, front bumper is gone, well, part of it is gone, and the whole suspension and the rim and tire. So all of those pieces from outside will need to be replaced. I'm assuming there might be some structural damage as far as longeron, a little bit shifted, or the mounts here for the shocks. So there's no obviously pictures in there. It's going to be hard to tell from what we see here what the actual damage underneath is. Some pictures from inside, actual mileage 6,710. Obviously some warnings here because of the accident, so airbag and traction control and low pressure and things like that, nothing to worry about. Another picture from inside, so I'm actually seeing that the airbag here is good, which I'm happy about. The curtain is blown, deployed. I'm guessing, even though I cannot see it, that the seat airbag for the passenger is deployed, even though because the curtain is deployed. We see that the dash is good, which is a very good thing because those are pain in the butt to replace. And let's see what else. Other than that, everything is pretty clean here, which is very good. And I think that might be the last picture. There's a tag, there's the engine. So this looks very, very good. Everything seems to be, aligned. Maybe this gap is a little bit bigger than this one. It's hard to say from the picture, but all the covers are here. The engine looks good, and obviously it stars and runs. So they hooked up cables to start it. That means the battery is dead. But other than that, it's looking pretty good. Like the whole plastic here, alignment, it didn't pop or anything like that. It's not cracked. So that's a very good sign. So hopefully this car is gonna be in a good shape. And again, this is the picture. So we go back here to the auction, and from here you can see that I got this car for that amount, and actually with the auction fees it's gonna be $13,000 without like a dollar or two, something like that. So 13K for 2018 Infiniti QX60 with salvage Infiniti QX60 with 6,000 miles, and it has few packages, so it has like the premium and premium class package. This website doesn't show that, but the other one, the IAA website, all does that, and all the standard equipment and all the extra packages. So that's what it is. From here you can also see that there was no previous auction, which is what we want. We don't want car that was previously fixed or something like that. The auction was yesterday here in Denver, Colorado, and a little bit more information about the car: engine, all-wheel drive, trim is base, which is not actually base because it has few more 2 or 3 extra packages. So this website gives you a little bit limited information, but everything looks pretty good. 13K, hopefully I can put 5, 6 or so to get it where it needs to be with everything fixed, and under 20,000 we'll have a almost brand new car.
Okay guys, the car is in. Got it in the garage, so let me take a quick walk around. Here everything looks good. Under the hood, very nice, like new, nothing missing. Perfect. Hood is good, even has a clear bra. There we go, see the line of the, perfect. We walk around, sorry, not much room here. Look inside. Airbag. There's no knee airbag in this car. The curtain is blown and the seat is blown. So everything else looks perfect. The leather is perfect, no scratches, no damages. Very, very nice. A little dirty here, but all the gaps on the doors are perfect on this side. Trunk, all nice. And now side. So everything inside looks pretty good, other than this, obviously, curtain airbag. So it is what it is, right? The roof liner needs to be replaced, which is pretty pricey, $1,200 or so, and the airbag, which is not pricey because it's a couple $100. This airbag, and there is seat airbag. So here we go. Here the door. If you look at the gap, it's pretty good, but it's been pushed. The door's been pushed. This is not what it's supposed to be. That's the gap that we're expecting, not this. So, and if you look from here, the door is sticking out a little bit. So, might be framing issue, might be issue on the hinges here, which obviously the door is damaged. So I think the main impact was here, kind of in the rear side of the front right wheel. So here we're looking at, we gotta obviously fix the door, either the hinges or straighten the whole frame, pull it, align it. Mirror is gone, the whole thing. Windshield is good, hood is good. Under the hood is good. Light, well, bumper is 90% of it is good, and then here we come and it just cut off. And there should be a parking sensor here, so distance sensor, so it's gone. This grill insert is gone. There is some pieces here. That is good. So this is good. That's what I'm saying. I think the impact was right here in the rear side, because the front of the wheel looks pretty good, and all the fluids are in. No coolant leak, no windshield washer or anything like that. Okay, so we can take a look here. This is where the problems start. So we just disassembled the whole thing just to bring the car in. Put that little dolly under to roll it in, but obviously there's no wheel. The rim was shot in 2 pieces. So if you look at this, well, you might say it looked bad or not bad, but here's the socket for this. Looks alright. Obviously all the control arms, well, this one is like, this big one is broken in half. So here's one half and here's the other. It's supposed to be, well, like this. I can't even push it that hard, so that's all messed up, so that needs to be replaced. It's hard to tell as far as framing over there and framing underneath. I didn't do enough analysis. I didn't do enough. I haven't looked enough around to figure that out. I hope you're gonna join me for the journey of fixing this car and getting it in perfect condition. It's gonna be fun. Lots of work, lots of projects, but it's I like doing those type of things. So please subscribe and provide the feedback, and I'll see you in the next video that's coming very, very soon.